Hey everyone, and welcome to Shuriken Skills number 38 here in the Work Smarter Not Harder dojo with me, Tony Harmer, aka the Design Ninja. This week's Shuriken skill is to learn the 3 ways of scaling image and graphic content along with their frames in InDesign. So I've got a document here, and what I want to do is scale the logo down in the bottom corner, which I'm just going to zoom in on right now. Okay, and I want to scale that. Well, the first way is to select it and tap E on your keyboard and then get the free transform tool and drag out the handles like so. Remember to hold down Shift while you do that and don't release it until after you've released the mouse button, just to keep that scaling proportional. The second way that you can scale is to use the scaling options in the control strip. And this way is very, very useful, especially if you've got a busy layout and you're actually using the layers panel to select content. So here, with these things constrained together, I can simply go in and choose new sizes like so, or click in the field and use my arrow keys to move down 1% at a time and hold down Shift and multiply that by 10 if I want to. And finally, the third way that I can do this is with the selection tool itself. With the selection tool active, what I'm going to do is hold down Command, that would be Control on the PC, and Shift to keep that all important proportional scaling, and then drag like so, and you'll see both things are resized. If you want to resize from the center outwards, then add in the Alt or Option key as well. So you've got quite a few fingers down on the keyboard there, but you'll do that from the center outwards. And that's it, your Shuriken skill to practice this week. Don't forget, if you want to learn more even faster, then check out my courses on lynda.com and LinkedIn Learning. Please do subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications, and you can feedback to me here or via Facebook or Twitter. But for now, we're done, and I'll see you next week for another Shuriken Skills episode. See ya.